It is Tip Tuesday, also known as Toilet Tuesday today. Not one of my favorite chores. This could be my worst chore in the entire existence of my life, especially now that I have teen boys. And I'd like to say I have a third child who's in his 40s, but we won't be mean to sweet Michael. So we have a couple ways to clean the toilet. Say hi when you jump on. So I posted a graphic today about using the descaler in the back of your toilet, which works great. So the descaler, this one is a new one. It doesn't have a sprayer on it, but I'm so dry today. I think it's the weather. So just spray the descaler, and if you have a lot of buildup, which you're going to, if you haven't cleaned the back of your toilets for a while, hi Barbara, if you haven't cleaned the back of your toilets for a while, you will have a lot of buildup. But that buildup actually just flushes that buildup nasty water into your toilet when you flush a toilet. So if you can get it clean and keep it clean an easier way, then you're winning. So if you haven't done it for a while, I recommend spraying the descaler back there and using a Speary net to scrub that gunk out. And if you can get the back clean, you'll notice your toilet stays cleaner. You will be less likely to keep the ring around the toilet, which we all hate because it's so hard to get off. So these are the Speary nets. They come in a pack of 2 for like $5, and they're made of 100% stainless steel, so they don't rust. And you can even cut these in half. I've cut them in half a lot, especially like samples and things, and they still work fine. If I'm cleaning my grill, I'll cut it in half. This can scratch, so don't use this on like the glass outside your oven, but inside the toilet, you're good to go. So this is awesome if you haven't done that in a while. And then what I like to do, I'm going to show you the back of my toilet, and then I will give you a couple other options. So I did that with my descaler and Speary net maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. And this toilet is in our family room and gets a lot of use. Let me turn the phone around. Okay, so let's see how the back of it's holding up. So not bad. Look at that. So that's pretty impressive. So now what I'm doing to maintain it, I'm going to turn the phone back around. So what I'm doing to maintain the toilet cleanliness, both in the back and in the bowl, is I don't know if this is a hack or not, but I started like maybe once a week, once every other week, putting a half a scoop of the laundry booster. Now this stuff, as you guys know, if you've been in my group for a while, this works great to deep clean your Norwex and also other fabrics that you can't put in the washer, like comforters and things like that. You can soak them and then rinse them out. So this has a lot of cleaning power. I'll use about a half a scoop, and I'm going to do that now, and just put it in the back of the toilet. And I will add a couple drops of the bathroom cleaner. So let me do that real quick. I just put a couple drops back there. All right. So the bathroom cleaner can be used that way with just a couple drops, or you can use it diluted, which I like using it diluted on the toilet in that area behind the lid, which gets gross if you have teenagers. And the dilution on this, I think it's so it's 1 ounce of bathroom cleaner to 7 ounces of water. So I'll put about 2 ounces of the bathroom cleaner in here with water. You see it's kind of blue. My friend Melissa made these little labels for me on her, is it called a circuit? So just a couple drops in the back. And now that that's in there, it's starting to clean. And it's going to maintain that hard work I put into it a few weeks ago. But what I love is I'll put the lid back on. I don't have to do anything else back there. I'm good to go. And then what I do is I'll flush the toilet and let the booster and the bathroom cleaner work its way down. So watch this. So when it fills back up, you're going to see it's a little sudsy coming in. So that's the booster and bathroom cleaner. So I've taken it all through that kind of drain system back there. And look how there's no ring. I haven't cleaned this for a couple weeks. So that helps maintain the cleanliness of the inside of the bowl too. and will help avoid the ring. So now that that's done, and I don't have to do anything else. I'll just leave it in there, and then whoever goes to the bathroom next will flush it, and I'm good to go. So if I need to clean the toilets, I have an older Enviro cloth. I color code things. So this is my, it's like all damaged. So this is my bathroom toilet Enviro cloth. I also have a bathroom Enviro sponge or scrub that I use. So for the top of the toilet, where they sit, I will just spray a little bit of this, and especially in those cracks back there where urine drops can get, you know, trapped, raise that up. I'll spray that crack back there. And I like using this diluted. Yes, it is great for septic systems. In fact, it's about 97% bio-based ingredients. Most of it is USDA certified, so great for, it's actually good for the health of your septic system as well. So I sprayed this on. I'm going to let that sit on there for a second. And then I'm going to use my blue bathroom Enviro cloth. And I'm going to get that wet real quick. And the bathroom cleaner is an enzyme cleaner. And so it's already working to break down organic matter. So old urine and stuff like that. I know this isn't a sexy job, but somebody's got to do it, right? So when I clean, I always start with the handle. Because, you know, after the boys go to the bathroom, they're going to flush. Hopefully they flush the toilet. And I'll get the top and the back. And then back here. And in those little areas around, like the, like the little hinge, the hinge that the lid pops up on, sometimes urine can get trapped around that. I'll use the utility brush. It's not bad right now. Then I'll get the lid and the seat, and it just comes so clean. And then under here, and then I don't even have to put my Enviro cloth down in the toilet or put my hand down in there. But if I did, I would typically use the Ergonomic toilet bowl brush. I know a lot of you guys got this in your buying club freebies. And this is great because it has backlock in it, so it won't start stinking. It hangs when it's on here. And this little lip is great. So I'll get it wet in there, and it really doesn't need it because it's pretty maintained, it's cleanliness. But I'll just swoosh that around and use that little lip to get under the sink, or under the seat. And then I could rinse it out, but it's really not dirty. So then you just hang it right here, and it actually free hangs, so it's not sitting on the bottom of the toilet brush holder. Air dries, and if you ever need to wash this out, the bottom pops off. So you can just, you know, wash it out or wipe it out. Okay, now let's talk about, before I go, I want to talk about things that most wives have to deal with, and especially moms or grandmas of boys. And that's the urine on the floor, around the base of the toilet. And in a lot of cases, urine splashage can get in the tile, hi Tammy, and in the grout around the toilet. And that's really disgusting. What I like to do when it's bad is I'll take the mattress cleaner, because mattress cleaner's enzymes, it physically breaks down and removes dust mites, dust mite feces, urine, blood, sweat, drool. So for the urine properties in this and its ability to break that down, I'll sometimes spray this around the base of the toilet. This one's almost empty. But I'll spray this around the base of the toilet just a little bit, and I'll let that work for a minute. And then if you don't have the mattress spray, you can use the bathroom cleaner instead. Either one. But I just think that mattress spray works so good on hardened urine. It's not sexy. And then I'll just take the Enviro cloth after it's sat there for a minute and quickly wipe that up. And any of the areas that are, not too bad. So any of the areas that are like little tiny crevices and angles, I will use the utility brush to clean those out. I'll just get it wet and then maybe paste or maybe just the bathroom cleaner and scrub that out and then wipe it away with the Enviro cloth. So this is Toilet Tuesday with Abby. And I was pretty impressed. And it's great because now that toilet is filling back up. So I'll show you. I'll even flush it I'll flush it. So that has a little bit of the bathroom cleaner and the booster in there. And when I flush it again, you'll see when it fills back up, I still have some suds. So that will actually sit in the back of the toilet and in the toilet bowl for a couple flushes, which is why I think it's helped me so much maintain the cleanliness of the toilet, preventing the ring altogether. And it also smells really good. It just smells clean. It doesn't smell like it doesn't have any fragrance in it, but it's just nice and clean. Clean as a toilet could be, right? So that's my Tip Tuesday, Toilet Tuesday talk. It kind of rhymes. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon. A lot of you guys are getting several of these different things in your buying club freebies, so now you have some new ways to use them. I'll see you guys soon, and let me know if you have any questions at all, and have a great Tuesday. Bye. You're welcome, Barbara.